Welcome to another brand new video. Today I'm going to show you how you can set up your agency with our new add-on white label billing system. First, you need to log into your account. Then you need to go to Add-ons All. You will see a new white label billing add-on. Now it is going to show you Get Add-on button here. If you click on that, then you'll be taken to the pricing page where you can choose any of the pricing that you like and purchase it. After you have purchased the add-on, you will be able to see a agency button here, which will take you to the agency portal. So if I click it, now I'm in the agency portal. So this is my agency portal where I will manage everything, starting from payment gateways to setting up landing page. Everything will be handled from this dashboard. So first, we have the dashboard option where you have the total metrics of many things. For example, the total customer that you have, the customers that are on trial, the active subscribed customers, then you have the subscriptions that has been expired, yearly customers, monthly customers, and all of these metrics. You will see the last 24 hours customers that have just registered in the last 24 hours here in this table. And then we have the customers option. Under it, you have two options. One, all customers and tickets. Let's go to the all customers option. Here you will see all of your customers, and you can even search them by email. You can also paginate here. So the data is paginated. So you're going to see 10 records probably in every page, and then you can go to the next page using these navigation links. Then you have the tickets option where you will see all the customers' tickets. So any ticket that your customers have created, you'll be able to see it here. These tickets are forwarded to Lancepilot's core team, and they will handle all the tickets, but you can see the conversation of those tickets here. Then you have the business tab where you have two menus. So one is management. If you go here, you'll be able to see a option payment gateway settings. From here, you can set up your Stripe. I have already connected my Stripe. You're probably going to see a button for connecting the Stripe that then you would need to give your credentials. So you have to give your secret key and public key here. So after this, you have a subscription plan section where you can actually create your subscriptions. So let's just create a new subscription plan. I'm going to create plan. I'm going to name it basic. This is the monthly, yearly, lifetime type. So I'm going to give it monthly. The price will be $29. And you can actually add your markup fee here. So this markup fee is basically the message markup fee. So Lancepilot already charges 15% markup fee, 10% for white label billing add-on customers. And on top of that, if you want to charge your customers for sending their messages, you can add your own markup fee here. I'm just going to keep it 0. Let's say I allow 100 workspaces for this. So this is allow template messages, meaning how many template messages you want your customers to send per month. So they cannot send more than this amount of template messages per month. So let's give it 100 as well. This is the total allowed contact across all of the workspaces. So if a customer subscribes to this plan, he will get this many contacts. He'll be able to create this many contacts across all of his workspaces. So let's give it 1,000. Then you have the allowed user. So how many users your customers can add, like team members. So let's also give it 20. And allowed auto replies is basically the how many auto replies you can create. So let's just create 50 of them. Then you can also give access to the API. So they will be able to use the API. And you can also mark this as best. So meaning this plan will be marked as most popular. You can also enable if this plan can be trialable. So people can take trial on this plan. And we can also check these options as well to allow webhooks and APIs. Then let's create the plan. Now, once we have created the plan, you can see it here. You can also delete the plan or manage the plan. Once you have created a plan, you can actually update the price. So that is one thing. And after creating the plan, let's just move forward to other options. And let me show you all of the options. Then we're going to be, then I'm going to show you how a customer actually signs up to this plan. So in this wallet section, you will be able to see there is 0 coins. So these coins are actually your balance that you need to recharge. And once you have recharged this balance, then when your customers actually create channels or connect numbers to their workspaces, when they recharge to the channel, that amount will be deducted from your overall agency's wallet. So if you have $100 here, a customer this agency's customer tries to recharge $200, it's not going to work because you don't have the balance here. So you can see all the transactions for this coins. So every single time you recharge your coin, it is going to be added here. And every single time the balance decreases when a customer recharges their channel, it will also be shown here. So let me just add $10 here. I'm going to use card. Let's recharge. Okay, so I have just recharged $10 to my agency wallet. Now my customer can actually recharge $10. So from here, we have another option, recharge transactions. And here you will see all the transactions of your customer's channel recharge. So whenever your customer recharges their channels, there will be a transaction created, and you can actually directly see it from here. The earnings option is your markup fee earnings. So remember, we have set up markup fee on our plan. So the earnings from that markup fee will be shown here. After each month, a report will be generated, and then you can see it here. So after this, we have the landing page, and from here we can actually set up our whole landing page content. So first, we need to go to theme and layout, and then select a theme. Well, we only have one theme right now. We're going to add later, probably. So we select this theme, update the preference, and now we have selected this theme. After that, we can go to app branding and brand our app, and give all these details actually. So let's say I give it in Flowly name, then I have an email, contact@flowly.com, and then I can upload logos and dark logos as well. I'm not going to upload the logo here. Let's save the changes. Now we have our app branding. Let's go to customize content, and we have some options here. Let's just fake fill it, and let's just upload something here. Now the logo. Save changes here. Or let's also actually update the logo. So if I go to app branding and app logo, let's just update the logo. Well, we currently don't have dark mode, so this is not going to work. Okay, I think this did not work. Contact flowly.com. Okay, this has saved successfully. Alright, so after this, we can actually connect our custom domain. So this is the domain that your agency will be accessed using. So I have connected a test domain here, and I can only access it. So you can add your own custom domain. After you have added this, you need to click on Save Changes, and then it will save the changes. Then you would need to actually go here, which will take you to the documentation to follow all the steps to actually connect your domain. You have to follow all of these steps. So for now, my domain is going to work, and I can show it to you, so I'm not going to do that. But you would need to first add your domain here, save the changes, go to this link, and follow all of the steps here. Then we have the tickets section. From here, you can actually create your ticket. So whatever ticket you have created here, it is going to be sent to our core team, and our core team is going to review that. So these are your tickets, your agency's tickets. So if you have any problem in your agency or something like that, you can create a ticket from here. So let's say I create a ticket test. I select the category and test, create. So now we have this ticket whole thing where I can actually send messages and then have attachments to it. Let's say logo. There we go. And we can also resolve this ticket like this. All right, then we have the billing section where you can actually add your payment methods, and then you can use these payment methods wherever needed. So you can use these payment methods when you're actually recharging your wallet. So this was the agency portal. Let's go to the landing page and custom domain management settings, and let's go to the custom domain that we have. Alright, so this is our landing page that we have set up. So as you can see, we have the logo here that we have uploaded here. So everything is dynamic here, and yep, this is the landing page. Now, your customers can directly view this domain, then go to sign up to actually sign up for an account and then log in. So let's just create an account. Let's just fake fill it and just create an account. Okay, now this is your customer dashboard. So this is the customer that has just signed up to your agency, and then they're going to see this dashboard to manage all of their resources. So we have this dashboard option here where they can see their total workspaces, total active workspaces, total users they have, and total tickets they have. They can manage their workspaces from here. They can create multiple workspaces based on their plan, and they can also go to that workspace. Let's ignore this for now. Let's explore other options first. So we have a recharge option here, which will allow your customer to actually recharge to a specific workspace. Now I cannot recharge to this workspace because I have not connected a channel to this workspace. Then they can put their card and recharge here, and whatever they recharge here will be shown on your business wallet section, the recharge of transactions, and it will also be added on the agency wallet, showing that your coins has been deducted. So then we have support and tickets. So whatever ticket they create from here will be actually you can see it from the customer's ticket sections, what your customer has actually what ticket has he created. So here you can only see the conversation because the core team is going to handle this, and then they're going to give the support, so you can only view this ticket. So after this, we have the billing section. If you go to the billing section, then we're going to see that there's a lot of things. So the customer is going to see their current plan here. They can change it or cancel it. They're going to see the start and end date and the billing period of it, renews ad, and all of these metrics. They can go to payment methods to add their payment methods and plans to see all of the plans available. After that, they have the settings where they can actually update their password, their profile. And now if you go to dashboard, they can actually go to their workspace. So if they click on that, they're going to be taken to the workspace dashboard that there is. So they can see this workspace, and they can use it just exactly like how you would use a Lancepilot's workspace. All right, so that's it. This is how you actually set up and onboard your customers in using the white label billing add-on. Thank you so much for watching.